Alright guys, we're doing some videos today, something different. So I like shoes and I don't feature them too much here because I think they're very specific to folks, but there's a lot of really good shoe channels out there and I'll never be able to emulate those, and nor do I want to spend that kind of money to even do that kind of show content, because I won't. So I have some newly purchased by myself, my own money, some Adidas Cloud Foam Comfort shoes. And I'm doing this video towards the end of January 2022. And these are the Adidas Lite Racer Adapt 4.0s. And I wear size 11 US. And you can get these from Adidas directly. You can get these off of Amazon. I will put the affiliate link below so you can find the details about it directly from Amazon. What I found is that the Adidas site, while I kind of wanted to purchase from them, they were cheaper on Amazon for the exact same shoe. It was about $10 cheaper. Could be just a limited time thing. But that's what I did. I have purchased from Adidas directly before. Shipping is fine. It's fast enough. It's not as fast as Amazon if you have Prime. But that's what I did. I did buy these from Amazon. If you're going to do that, well, one tip though is make sure you get the right version. Sometimes you'll find the shoe on Amazon, it looks to be the same as what you found on Adidas, but it actually might be the previous year's version. So I'm not that familiar with the history on this particular shoe, but you could find a deal and it looks cheap, same thing, same color, etc. But it's like the 3.0 model, last year's model, versus the 4.0 that, I don't know, I always like the newer, more refined thing typically. Anyways, why did I buy this shoe? I am a big Adidas fan. I am just kind of trying to optimize my remote living outfit as much as possible. I tend to buy black shoes, or you've seen me in white shoes a lot too, but I've seen different styles of this one. This is kind of like the Adidas version of the very popular Allbirds, the low maintenance, comfort shoe. I bought these to kind of wear around the house, maybe small excursions. But I think they look cool, especially from the side. So I don't like a lot of flash. I don't like a lot of logos everywhere, so I have the blacked out logo. You can get these in probably 8 different colors. Just a small blacked out logo on back, loop to help put the shoe on. No laces, no Velcro. It's just your size. And I have pretty narrow feet. And there's always a concern when there's no laces, is it going to be too wide for me? And I'll say these fit extremely precise for me. Shockingly, I'm so surprised. And from a top view, they look like they're going to be wide, but they're not when I wear them. They're very comfortable. They're a bit tight putting them on, but they're not tight when you actually have them on and you're wearing them around. I saw some complaints online about too tight for people. I could see if you had really wide feet, it could be a challenge for you unless these stretch out later on. But so I think they look really cool from the side, the back. If you're wearing them and you have like a top-down view, they kind of look like a kung fu shoe, or just kind of a weird kind of all black flat shoe. The aerial top-down view is kind of different. People don't necessarily love that front view, but when they see the side, it works out pretty cool, or it worked out okay. So I just went for the low maintenance. Kind of tried these, are kind of like a house shoe almost. You're not gonna want to run in these, small errands, that kind of stuff. But they're comfortable. So I have a lot of experience buying Adidas shoes, and I have the NMDs. I have the what do you call them? The running shoe that they have every year. multiple versions of that. And there is a difference between the low cost Adidas and the more expensive higher end line. And that the higher end lines like the NMDs, the running shoes have a very comfortable, I'm trying to think of the Ultra Boost when I say running shoes. The Ultra Boost shoes they have a very comfortable sole. Like they have I think they call it like a Mission or Continental sole from the rubber company. And they're squishy, they're grippy, very soft. You could argue perhaps too soft in some versions, but very comfortable. And I kind of wanted to emulate that grippiness, that squishiness in this shoe. I was hoping like, okay, low cost, low maintenance, easy on, easy off, squishy, grippy, soft, comfortable. It's not quite the same. It's not what I actually got. This is about from Amazon, like tax and all that stuff, about $60 shoe, all in, versus the Ultra Boosts are like starting at $180. And so there's a huge price difference. Fit-wise, they fit great. The same fit as the Ultra Boost and NMDs. The NMDs, you could argue, could be a bit wide on me, but they're good enough. They don't have the same sole on these ones as those other ones. It's comfortable enough. It's not like a hard shell platform, which I have experienced in other lower cost Adidas. But it's just a little bit more stiff. It's a little less grippy, not as sticky as the other ones, if that makes sense. But it is comfortable, but not as comfortable as the Ultra Boost. I'll say it that way. So, do I recommend these? Yeah, I do. They're low cost. I think don't buy them to run. Don't buy them to do heavy exercise. But for tooling around, especially as a kind of remote living house shoe kind of thing, recommend. So, let me put these things on and do the fashion show, the fashion walk. Standing here with no shoes on, shooting videos. What kind of mad person am I? Balance. You can do it. You can do it. I can do it. I believe in me. I can do it. One leg on camera. Look at this. I've been training. Oh, I can do it. I can do it. Look at that. Hey guys. All right. Get one leg on camera. Look at that. Grandmaster. Thank you. All right, let's do the walk off. Huh? Look at that. Look at that. Going backwards with them. Backwards. I can do it. Going forwards. Going to the side. Going to the side. Crisscross. Going to the side. Going to the side. It's too much. I know you can't handle it. Just stop. Just stop. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to the side. I'm going to the side. I'm going to the front. 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 You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to the back. I'm going to the back. All right, folks. Adidas shoes. Recommend.